In this video, we'll take you through how to use the dynamic link optimization settings in the Publisher Hub. Before we begin, it's worth remembering that only users with admin or developer rights will have access to change these settings. First, select your domain using the drop-down menu. To enable the dynamic link optimization, click the On button. If you have multiple domains under your account, remember that you will need to repeat this process for each domain. Once dynamic link optimization is switched on, any 404 out of stock or inactive merchant links will now automatically be optimized. You have full control over which links, pages, and merchants are optimized for your domain. Click on Customize to access these controls. Firstly, you have the ability to turn dynamic link optimization on or off for 404 and out-of-stock pages, as well as inactive merchants. To maximize your revenue opportunity, we recommend you leave both switched on. By default, we will not optimize a link where a merchant name is detected in an article or buy button. But if you'd like to override this setting and optimize all links across your domain, even if a merchant name is present, simply toggle to Optimize All Links. If there are certain links on your site that you never want to optimize, even when broken, you can control that here. Simply select Never Optimize these links if broken, and enter the relevant link URL. You can always delete these links if you'd like to optimize them in the future. You'll also have the same level of control at the page level. If there are particular pages that you would not like to optimize via dynamic link optimization, simply select Never Optimize Broken Links on these pages and enter the relevant page URLs. Dynamic link optimization can be customized even further by excluding specific merchants from optimization. Again, select Never Optimize Broken Links from these merchants for the merchant's name and click Add. Just like the link and page settings that we covered earlier, you can always delete these merchants at a later date and will then automatically resume optimizing any 404 out of stock and inactive merchant links for them.